Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys. So basically yesterday's video, I was asking you guys if y'all wanted me to unbox some mystery boxes, and well, basically today that's what we're doing. We're unboxing some online sneaker mystery boxes. We're gonna see if this is any good, and basically what we got here. So StockX recently launched these ones, right? I kind of was telling y'all about that in yesterday's video, and today we're just gonna be going through, see if we can get anything good, see what we win, and yeah, just basically a little mystery box video, seeing and if we win anything nice, and if they're worth, you know, the cop. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you can do that, that'd be great. If not, again, everything else I mentioned normally is down below my Instagram page. Make sure you guys enter that blue tile SB giveaway. It's my pinned reel. Just go check that, and you all will see that there. And make sure you just tag your two friends, like the post, and let me know why you want to win the pair, man. That's probably the most important thing. And follow me too, so you don't miss when I pull the winner. And yeah, that's all there. Shout out everybody who entered the brick after brick one too. The guy who won that, he should be getting those that sometime this week. And if y'all want to see who won those, just go to my 2026 highlights on Instagram. You'll see it saved there. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. Feel free to check out my TikTok streetwear auctions down below too. If you ever want to come support your boy, that's definitely the best way to do it. We do tons of streetwear over there. So if you ever want to come cop some Supreme or other streetwear brands we got of us, then yeah, feel free to do it over there, man. That really helps us out. So I appreciate you guys. Hope y'all will enjoy. And let's get started today, man. We got a lot to discuss. Oh, and shout out my cat being a crazy girl. I had to get her out of here for a second because she kept running through my feet literally 3 times in like a minute while I was trying to record here, and I was like, all right, buddy, you're going to go over here for a little bit, but we still love her. Let's go, though. All right, so as you guys can see, this is what we're going to look at first before we really break down and open any of the mystery boxes, right? This is really how it works. So as you guys can see, they reveal right at purchase, not when the pair ships or when you get it in hand. So that was actually something I was very curious about because I was wondering when I was going to make this video today, right? Am I going to have to wait to make it? Is it going to be kind of like a 2-part thing where I buy it and then I unbox it and see what I get? But I kind of figured out it was more of an online reveal yesterday when I saw you could actually check the recent reveals and see what people have actually gotten. So seeing you can look at the recent reveals, I'll show you all that so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. And yeah, so it reveals right at purchase. There was a reveal animation, shows your item, its value, its tier. And then you get 5 minutes to decide whether you want to keep it or sell it back. Now, for me, I'm probably just going to be keeping most of these pairs, right? I don't really have a need to, like, you know, sell them back to StockX for credits or anything like that. I'm not really like trying to resell them, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to get something cool, so we'll see if that happens today, man. If we win something in our size, I'll probably try my size 9.5 and then maybe like 10 or something like that. But we'll maybe try a few sizes. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, we'll just try for something. We'll see if we can get. And yeah, not a surprise in the mail situation. That's basically what this tells us. So we'll unbox it and we'll see what we get right now. So let's open some mystery boxes and have some luck. Hopefully. All right, hopefully my sound is good, but I'm going to move over here, and we're going to get the screen recording up. I had to talk with my cat for a second there, make sure she was good. She always gets, like, scared when I have to, like, take a few minutes to, like, oh, she just, like, doesn't like when I record my YouTube videos. I think that's what it is. She just wants to play the whole time, but I have no problem with it. But that screen recording is up on the screen right now, right? And basically, what I think we're going to start with, right? I'm interested in the accessories box. I might do that, but we're going to have to kind of see what brands that contains. I think we're going to start with something very light, chill, and simple. We're just going to start with that $100 sneaker mystery box. So, obviously, here are the odds, right? As you guys can see, we're probably not going to get the $350 to $1,000 thing, but if we do, I'll go absolutely crazy for you guys, right? Or maybe not crazy, but, you know, I'll be absolutely appalled, right? But you can see kind of the most of the time what people are getting, right? 94% of the time they're getting something worth, you know, $100 to $149, right? So nothing really too crazy here. I'll just kind of show y'all what people are getting most of the time. So the Under Armour Curry 13s, the Bright Ceramic Air Max 186, some Ja 3s. I wouldn't mind the Game Roll lows. See, I'd actually wear those, you know what I mean? So like Air Max 97, those seem decent. Some Jaws. Yeah, there's some all-right stuff. That's a great win right there. You know what I mean? $180. Decent win. A pair of SBs. I'll take that all day for sure. And wow, someone wants a Mason Margiela's for $280. That's crazy. So yeah, some people are winning some decent stuff, but it doesn't seem to be right too often. So the average item, someone's getting worth like $120. Let's just take a look at what size. Let's go with the 9.5 right here. Let's do this, yeah? All right, let's buy 9.5 and let's see what we can get. So obviously I'm gonna block out all this info right here because like this is my address and all that. Let me add my new one, right? All right, so finally got all that sorted there. Sorry, that took me like a minute for sure, or like a minute and a half at least. But aside from that, y'all can see it costs us like $108, so nothing too crazy. That's actually good that the shipping and taxes and all that wasn't insanely pricey on this. But yeah, let's reveal this right now. Let's see what we get. 108, the $100 mystery box. All right, make sure my address info and all that's right. Let's do it. All right, pay and reveal. Let's go, boys. Let's see if we get something nice here. $100 mystery box, starting off with this one, and then we'll see on some of the other ones if we get anything nice. I'm just going with my 9.5 right here. So let's see. All right, let's see what they give me. What is that? What is that? New Balance, black cement. I will actually wear those. I will wear those. Trade for StockX credit. Okay, so I get 93.60 StockX credit, or I can keep them and ship to me for 25 bucks. So I'm basically paying 133 for these, or I can trade it back and lose like 15 bucks. Well, I actually kind of like those. They're all black. I don't mind them. You know what, boys? I think I'm going to keep these. I'm a sneakerhead, so we're going to keep these, I think. So, let me see. Yeah, I July 20th to 23rd is fine. That's not that far away. All right, ship them to me. All right, so that's number one. I'll take it. Not a win, but not a loss. An all-black sneaker, that's actually something I've needed in my collection. So, you know what? I'm not going to consider that a massive L. It is an L, but you know what? It's a pair of New Balances are going to last you years. That's the thing about that. If you know about sneakers, New Balances will last you a hell of a long time. So, is it a profitable dub? No, I definitely just lost money on that there. 100% just paid market on those. But am I upset about it? No, it's a sneaker I actually like and would wear. I'd be upset if I got like those purple Curry 13s. If I got those, then y'all would have seen me upset here. I'd have been like, bruh, you know what I mean? All right, but now we're going to up the odds. We're going to up the stakes here. We're going to do this one. We're going to do the $200 mystery box now. I know I told y'all we're going to unbox a mystery box today, and I was not kidding. We were going to unbox quite a few mystery boxes today, at least 3. So we're on number 2 right now. We're on the $200 mystery box. The $100 one was a straight L, but it was a pair I can at least wear, and it's my size, and I don't mind them. I've never had that model before, so we'll try them out. Y'all will see me rocking these. I mean, maybe I'll rock them. I don't know. Maybe I'll try and flip them or something like that. I really don't have any clue what I'm gonna do with those when I get them in, but I do kind of like them, so I might actually wear them if they look as good as they did in that initial reveal. I'll keep them for sure. But aside from that, y'all can see we got the $200 mystery box. Let's check out some of these recent reveals and see what people have been getting. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Air Max 95s. Can I please get something that cool? Can I please get something that cool? I mean, everybody's getting something decent here, man. I mean, once you start getting to, bro, if I get some Jordan 6 lows for 200 bucks, I'm going to crash out so hard. I will crash out unbelievably hard right now in front of you guys on this camera if I get some Jordan 6 lows. If I spend $200 on some Jordan 6 lows, here's what we're going to do. We're going to immediately trade them back for credit and buy another box. Probably. Something along those lines. If they give me those, they better not. All right. Let's do this, though, guys. Okay? Y'all can see here the odds of what you're getting. Most of the time, as you can see, 6% chance to get something real nice. 94% chance to get, you know, something not so great. But look at the stuff in the 20% chance. See? We got the Union 4s. We got the Royalty 4s. Those are 2 sneakers I wouldn't mind. You know what I mean? There is some in the 20% option because you're spending a bit more that aren't too bad. But aside from me yapping so much, let's look at the recent reveals to see what people have been getting. All right. That's such a nice one, bro. All right, please do not rail me on this. Okay, let's see. Let's try for maybe, let's do, yeah, you know what? I'm going to go with my usual 9.5 because I want to be able to wear them if, you know what I mean, if I take a fat L here, right? So this one's a bit more expensive. You can see $16 on the tax, so $216 total price. I'm blocking everything out else right there so y'all can't see that, but you can see $216 is the total cost we got. So, let's do it, squad. Let's pay and reveal. Let's do this. Let's see what we get. Spending a bit more here. Hopefully something nicer, but no guarantees. You know what I mean? But I'd like it to be something I could at least wear or something real nice. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. The total orange Kobe's. Yeah. All right. That's a win. That is a win. That is an absolute win. Yes. Yes, dude. That is a dub. Wow. Yeah, no, I'm not trading that for credit, StockX. That's my pair. That's mine, boy. Sorry, I'm just doing a little troll there. But yeah, I actually just won. I cannot believe that. Did I actually just win? Hold up, let me check what the total orange Kobe's go for. Hold up. Did I actually just take a dub? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go. I just got these for $250. Let's go, because I was $216 on the box and then $34 to ship them to me. $250 on these. Let's go. I might keep these for the collection. All right, unexpected, but we just took a dub. That will make up for the last pair 100%. Dude, that is so awesome. I never got a pair of these in my size, so hell yeah, I'm probably keeping these. Let's go. All right, let's just do one more for fun now. Shout out them for blessing, bro. They were like, all right, you took a no on your first, but you're buying another. We got you. Dude, let's go. All right. That is awesome. That is awesome. Maybe we'll give those away. I don't know. Or maybe we'll give away the first pair one. I haven't decided. Comment section, y'all let me know. But that was awesome. All right. Let's do one more. Let me think of a good one. So we just did the $200 one, the $100 one. I say, so $200 one, we did that, $100. I think the best course of action. So we've spent, let me do our math on what we spent so far. All right, so here's what we spent so far. So see, we spent about 383 right now. I'm probably, what I want to do honestly is buy another one of the $200 ones. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, right? We'll see. But we did just win on that one right there, which was pretty awesome to see. I did not expect that whatsoever. So yeah, that's what we spent so far. How much are we up? I mean, maybe like 30 bucks. I mean, it doesn't, that's not really the point of this video today. It was just to see if we could win anything nice. And we did. We did. That was actually awesome. So happy about that. Great start to the day. All right, since I love you guys, what I think we're going to do right now is we're going to unbox a $200 sneaker mystery box, right? And what I'm going to do, right? So we're going to do one more of these right here. And basically what my plan is I'm going to give away one of the, if this video does good, we're going to see how good this video does today, right? Because I'm only a couple hundred of y'all watching. We probably won't do the giveaway, but if a lot of y'all watch this video today, or if a lot of y'all enter my blue tile giveaway on Instagram, we'll give away one of the sneakers I win from this video today. So we'll make it something cool, whether it's the first pair, the second one, or this one I'm going to win right here. We're going to give away one of the sneakers from today's video. So we'll make sure to do that in the next video or something coming up. As long as this video is doing decent, then I'll make sure to do that for you guys. We'll post some shorts from this video as well. So I'm sure it'll do good based off that. I don't know. We'll test the waters, yeah? But aside from that, last one, guys. We're going to do one more, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's see if we did just win something nice. So let's see if we get something nice again, or, I mean, if we don't win. I mean, again, this is the $200 one. We did just win some. I'm not expecting to win twice in a row, but we'll see if they're blessing your boy today. Let's see. Hopefully I did the right shipping address on the last pair, too. Oh, man, let me check that. All right, so I did the wrong address on the last one, but I'll just go get them. I'll just go pick them up for my pops when they land there. I knew I made a mistake. All right, we're going to make sure it doesn't happen this time. You don't see the cost is $216. We're doing one more box, and then your boys got to get on live and get to work today. So let's get it. Let's see if we win something here, man. The third and final mystery box for today, the $200 one more time. I skipped the apparel ones. I just wasn't as into that because I don't know. I feel like I could get some random brand I don't know. But let's see what we get here. All right, and we got the Jordan 3 Wizards. That's definitely not a dub, in my opinion. Definitely not a dub. That's an L. But let me see. So trade for $189, StockX credit, or ship to me for $33.67. Let me think. I think what we'll do. This actually isn't a bad pair to give to somebody. So let me think. I think these look really close to the True Blues. I already got the True Blues too. I couldn't. It's kind of complicated because it can't really I can't really rock these, you know what I mean? Because again, I got a pair that's so close to them. All right, so hold up. Let me do. I think what the best thing we do. I'm gonna do this. Watch this, guys. So I'm gonna trade this for credit. All right. I wouldn't normally trade for credit, but all right, here. Let me make sure my balance is good. All right, we got $189 in credit. So all right, we're gonna buy one more, and this will be it. We'll just take the $11 loss. It's okay. All right, so like that's what we spent so far. We spent like $410, I think, if my math's right. So we'll just buy one final one. This will be it. We're really only gonna buy this one for like 40 bucks or so because we do have the credit. So we'll see if we get anything nice this last one, and then we'll wrap it up there. We'll just keep whatever pair it is. All right, let's do this squad. Let's see if we can get anything nice right here. Maybe let me make sure I put the right address too. I'm blocking everything out right there. All right, so this is 27. Let me write this down. Sorry, I fixed my math there. That might be more correct, but I'll add it all up after the video. It's not too big of a deal. All right, let's have some fun with this though. 27 bucks. Let's see if we win anything on this one, yeah? All right, this will be the last time I try this. I don't want to just keep throwing it in, you know what I mean? There's no point in chasing the loss. It never goes good. So let's see if we win anything here on this one, guys. All right, let's see. What we got is All right, we got the black cement threes. This I'm gonna keep 100%. I can actually wear these. I can rock these. I don't have a pair of these in my collection. We're keeping these, or we're gonna give them away. I'll let y'all know in a second here. All right, so boom, there are our pairs right there. As y'all see, we got some New Balances, we got some Jordan 3s, we got some Kobe 6. I'm not necessarily upset at these. I did have to spend a decent amount to get these. Like, I probably could have just gone out the way and paid ask, and it probably would have been about the same price. So was it necessarily worth it? No, you're not going to make any money doing this, 1,000,000%. But was it fun and entertaining to do and, you know, see what kind of pairs that, you know, I got and pull these mystery boxes? Yeah, it was actually a lot of fun to do that. And I did actually take a dub on one of them, the Total Orange Kobe's. That was actually a big dub. I paid like $250 for those, and seeing the market on them, that's not bad. Most of the time you probably aren't getting those for $250 nowadays, right? So yeah, that's pretty much what I could say about the mystery boxes today. It was fun to do that. If you guys want more content like this on the channel, just let me know in the comments. And if you guys want me to give away one of these sneakers, y'all let me know which pair y'all want me to give away. I might keep those Total Oranges, but if y'all want the black cements or something like that, if this video does good, I will absolutely give the black cements away in an upcoming video. Just let me know if y'all want something like that. And here's my cat coming out. Hi, buddy. Now you can come out. Hi. Sorry, my cat's walking through right here. Hey, buddy, you just can't interrupt us during the videos. Now it's fine. We're just on the outro. Make sure y'all enter that giveaway on my Instagram too, the free blue tiles, pinned reel. Just go check that out. Like the post, tag it 2 friends, drop your boy a follow, and let me know why I want to win the pair. And yeah, that's really all you got to do for that giveaway. And here's a photo of my cat, as y'all can see, being a picky baby right now. She's really walking through my feet back and forth. We'll make sure to hang out with her for like 5-10 minutes here, and then I honestly got to get started with my day. Kitty, you forget that we gotta do work and stuff, right? That's how we're able to do videos like this. All right, yeah, it's how I'm able to get you new stuff and toys, bud. I literally just got like a new fancy food bowl. It's like elevated. Such a picky cat. But yeah, you like it? You happy? Y'all probably heard her there. All right, that's it, guys. Everything else is down in the comments. If y'all want me to do more content like this again, just let me know, and I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one, all right? And don't miss the TikTok lives. That's in that pinned comment, all right? I hope to see you there. Come buy something if you want to. It's the best way to support your boy if y'all ever want. We'll have a lot more Supreme socks in this week. So if you want some Supreme socks, come get them this week. All right. That's it, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Hopefully I'll catch y'all there. Peace out, squad.